Hey everyone, I bet you never thought that you would use a muffin pan in the summertime, but that's what I love about Temp-tations. The fact that we're used to this metal, it makes 12, we broke them up into 2 sets of 6, because sometimes you just want 6. You don't need necessarily a dozen, but you are going to receive 2 of our 6-cup muffin pans, all individually hand painted, helper handles here on the side, and what I love about our muffin pans is think about individual portions, individual servings. You could have all of your condiments in here, you could have a little Taco Tuesday night where you have everything cut up and ready to be prepared. So don't just think of this as a muffin pan, although let's think about it as a muffin pan, because look at how beautiful our popovers are that we did right inside here. Naturally non-stick, so you don't need butters or oils or any extra added fats. Look how golden brown they are, love that. But then also remember, our stoneware is going to keep cold things colder longer as well. So we did our no-bake Rami cheesecakes, also available on QVC.com, but 3 different flavors that we have in here, which is such a nice, great dessert. So chill that ahead of time. You have things staying cold. Obviously, it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees, the microwave, the fridge, the freezer, and the dishwasher. I'm telling you, you will absolutely be shocked at how often you use your 6-cup muffin.